To my YouTube channel. It is This video is the second part of Inverex Nitrox 5kW solar inverter. So the second part starts with efficiency. MPPT efficiency 99.9%, Euro efficiency 96.5%, max efficiency 97.6%. Protection: output over voltage protection, yes. Output over current protection, yes. Output shorted protection, yes. Solar input lighting protection, yes. Insulation resistor protection, yes. Anti islanding protection, yes. Physical NWKGS 20.5 kilograms. Dimensions: 22.83 multiply 30 multiply 8.55. Width multiply height multiply depth inches. Others. Price: 3,56,000. Warranty: 5 years, 2 years product and 3 years service warranty. This price is valid in all cities of Pakistan, including Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Faisalabad, Multan, Rawalpindi, Hyderabad, Gujranwala, Bahawalpur, Peshawar, Sargodha, Sialkot, and Quetta. You can buy online in Pakistan and also from local shops in different cities in Pakistan. You can also avail the option of cash on delivery of this product from different online stores. Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter, fault error codes and fault reasons: F01 DC inverse failure, F02 DC insulation failure, F03 GFDI failure, F04 GFDI ground failure, F04 EEPROM read failure. F10 aux power board failure, F11 AC main contractor failure, F12 AC slab contractor failure, F13 working mode change, F14 DC overcurrent failure, F15 AC overcurrent failure, F16 GFCI failure, F17 TZCOM OC fault, F18 TZAC overcurrent, F19 TZ intage, F20 TZDC overcurrent, F21 TZGFDIOC, F22 TZ emergency stop, F23 TZGFCI overcurrent, F24 DC insulation, F25 DC feedback, F26 bus unbalance, F27 DC insulation ISO, F28 DCI over M1, F29 AC air switch, F13 AC main contactor, F31 AC slab contractor, F32 DCI over M2, F33 AC overcurrent, F34 AC overload, F35 AC no utility, F36 AC grid phase squeeze, F36 AC grid phase squeeze, F37 AC volt unbalance, F38 AC current unbalance, F39 INT AC overcurrent, F14 INT DC overcurrent, F41 ACWU overvolt, F42 ACW undervolt, F43 ACVW overvolt, F45 ACUV overvolt, F46 ACUV under voltage, F47 AC over frequency, F48 AC under frequency, F49 AC U grid current DC high, F15 AC V grid current DC high, F51 AC W grid current DC high, F52 AC A inductor current DC high, F53 AC B induct current DC high, F54 AC C induct current DC high, F55 DC voltage high, F56 DC voltage low, F57 AC backfeed, F58 ACU grid current high, F59 ACV current high, F16 ACW grid current high, F61 AC air induct current high, F62 ACB induct current high, F63 ARC, F64 heatsink high temperature. Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter features self consumption and feed in the grid to 220 volt single phase inverter can be monitored via mobile application, solar man application, smart load function, pure sine wave inverter compatible with mains voltage or generator power, auto restart while AC is recovering, parallel function on grid and off grid, programmable multi operation modes on grid, off grid and UPS, programmable supply priority for battery or grid, configurable AC solar generator charger priority by LCD setting, short circuit overload above average protection, smart battery charger design for optimized battery performance, smart settable 3-stage MPPT charging for optimized battery performance, Wi-Fi monitoring, time of use function. I hope that you will get a lot of information about Inverex Nitrox 5kW hybrid inverter. Allah Hafiz.